Supply lay with 4-way hydrant valve. The objective of laying a supply line is to deliver water from a fire hydrant to the fire location. The supply line serves as a flexible water main from the water source to the attack pumper. A 4-way valve attached to the hydrant may be used to augment water pressure without interrupting water flow. The order is given to lay a line. Repeat the order. Do not leave the engine until you have all personal protective equipment, your SCBA, flashlight, and radio turned to the proper channel. Once the apparatus stops completely, proceed to the tailboard. Remove the 4-way valve from the engine. Place the 4-way valve on the ground next to the hydrant. Return to the engine and step up onto the tailboard. Grasp the end coupling and first fold of hose, placing them on your shoulder. A hydrant strap will indicate the first fold. Turn to face the ground, looking down to ensure the area below is clear of obstructions. Step off the tailboard and proceed toward the hydrant. Once the hydrant is reached, drop the hose fold. Position the hose out of the way, leaving room for another engine to pump at the hydrant. Place the hydrant strap around the hydrant. Position yourself in a location where eye contact with the engineer can be made, either directly or in the mirror. Yell "Take off" while signaling with one hand for the apparatus to pull away. Once the first coupling drops, return to the hydrant and remove the hydrant strap. Align the hose with the outlet and then flake it on the sidewalk side. Remove the hydrant pack. Place it next to the hydrant. Using the hydrant wrench, remove the hydrant cap from the 4-inch outlet. Ensure the outlet is free of debris. Connect the 4-way valve to the hydrant and tighten it using the extended lugs. Remove the 2.5 to 4-inch increaser and place it on the ground. Later, if the hydrant has a 2.5-inch outlet, the 2.5 to 4-inch increaser will be attached. Connect the female coupling on the hose to the male outlet facing the fire and tighten it with the hydrant wrench. Place the hydrant wrench on the hydrant stem nut in the 3 o'clock position. Position the hose to keep the area clear for another engine and remove the kinks. When the engineer signals or calls for water, repeat the signal or call. Never charge the line until the engineer is ready for it. If time permits, flush the hydrant, ensuring the 4-way valve is positioned to the open butt outlet. Switch the valve over to the correct position to flow water through the hose. Begin charging the line slowly to prevent water hammer at the pump. Once the line is filled, open the hydrant fully and quickly.